Hi everyone, welcome to day 5 of Vlogmas. It's been a couple days. The other day I was able to get some photos of my little Christmas tea towels that came in. If you didn't see those, I will link that video up in the eye and down below if you want to check them out. They're up on my website. So exciting. I ended up not putting the wrapping papers on the website just because production took a little bit too long and I didn't really love the quality of one of them. So the wrapping papers are going to be just my own personal wrapping paper for my family this year, but hopefully next year we will kind of figure out that whole wrapping paper situation. Look at how cute all my little wrapping papers are together. Oh, I love them. I'm in a Christmas decorating mood. We're gonna decorate this tree down here. Now, a couple things. I'm filming at night. It's completely dark outside. I am not the best videographer. I don't really know how to manipulate the settings on this camera very well, so I do shoot in auto a lot of the time, but I do have a microphone, and the microphone only works when I'm shooting in manual, so I know how to adjust the settings during the daytime, but I don't know how to adjust the settings during nighttime. So I'll show you. So right now I'm shooting in auto and the microphone is off. So you're hearing just the sound that the actual camera is picking up. The reason I got the microphone is because if you listen closely, you can hear the hum of the actual internal mechanism of this camera. But when I turn the microphone on and shoot in manual, you won't be able to hear that, but you'll also be able to see the difference. So this is manual. The sound is probably a little bit better, but it's so dark and I don't know how to fix this. I've tried to change like the ISO, the aperture and all that kind of stuff, but I don't think I'm doing a very good job because it still looks like this and it's a little bit too dark. So we're gonna switch back over to auto for now. The sound is not gonna be as good, but the video quality will be better. All right, let's get to decorating. I'm gonna make some tea first because you know what? I wasn't really gonna tell you this, but I am gonna tell you this because you're probably gonna notice anyway. I have an ear infection. Who gets ear infections? I didn't know adults really got ear infections. So I'm dealing with like, I can't hear out of this ear, so I might sound a little bit differently. I feel fine. It's just my ear is like a little bit numb and I can't hear anything really. So there's that. Tonight I'm drinking some cozy chamomile tea. I do really like this Bigelow brand. They have some really yummy flavors and you can get like a variety pack. It's perfect. Right, we got our little decorations. Oh my God. What's in here? Okay. More decorations. Oh, look. Mark's mom made this. She crocheted this and made it. How stinking cute is this? Well, I gotta fix the lights, but how cute. If you're a crocheter, you could totally make something like this. It's so sweet. My goodness. First order of business, we gotta check these strands and see if they still work. Do you remember last year when I tried to like fix my strands of lights? I went through like each and every single bulb. That was crazy. I bet there's probably a way better way to store your strands of lights. How do you guys do it? Let me know in the comments below. Like, what's your favorite way of storing Christmas lights? I would like to know. Tell me. Share me your secrets so you don't end up with a wad like this. You see this cute little girl? Yeah, I love you. I do. All right, so for ornaments, I have all of these like glittery ones. There's kind of like a champagne-y color, a copper color, and silver. They're also in like matte finish and a shiny finish. Now, I've used these for years, and I typically put these on and then I fill in with some red, then with some like really like farmhousey country, like almost like vintage looking ones. But this year I might just stick with the glitz and the red. We'll see. This is a smaller tree, so it might be able to take it, but let's just start doing it. So I like to start with like the big showstoppers and put those on in like really predominant areas and then fill in with the little guys. What she's looking like with just the kind of glitter glammy balls, but I'm gonna put the red ones on. See the red? It works perfectly. Yeah.